Hey guys, just wanted to share with you a quick tip. Somebody had asked if you could use stained food to spot clean a flag, and yes, you can. Now, flags can be made from a couple of different materials, so I would definitely make sure that your flag is water safe or color fast. Typically, flags that are made out of cotton or wool won't be, so those type you would probably have to take to like a dry cleaner to get that cleaned. But if it's made out of something like nylon or a synthetic material, I believe this one is, but if it's a nylon synthetic material, then you can absolutely use stained food to do some spot cleaning if you don't have the time or don't want to fully wash your flag. So what I would recommend is to take a towel or a paper towel and just spray a little bit on there just so that you can have a little bit of control. And what we have here is just kind of like a random spot, but just kind of dab it. That way, that's all you need to do instead of, misting the entire thing and possibly creating some color dye bleed. So this gives you a little bit more control, but yeah, as you can see, worked perfectly, and I don't have to wash the entire flag now to just get rid of that spot. So quick tip of the day, and thanks for watching.